This is AJ here from Savory Thoughts, and today we are going to enjoy a succulent turkey wings. Let me show you how we did it. This dish is extremely delicious and simple to make, especially if you don't want to make an entire turkey. All you have to do is get some wings from the store, wash them up, cut them in halves, and add your seasonings. Now for the exact measurement for the seasonings, please check out our website at savorythoughts.com. You have step-by-step instructions as well as pictures to guide you through the process. Once the seasoning is well mixed in the meat, go ahead and place the meat in a baking dish. The bowl that you use to do the mixture, add a little bit of water in it. So all you're trying to do is rinse the seasoning inside a bowl out and place it in the baking dish as well. That way the meat maintains all the seasonings as well as moisture during the cooking process. Go ahead and cover it with aluminum foil or oven safe cover and place it in the oven and let it cook. So what we are going to do next is create the gravy by thickening the sauce. So we are going to take some of the broth that has been cooking and then add a little bit of cornstarch or flour, stir it up to thicken it, and then we're gonna add that mixture into the baking dish. Now make sure to spread the mixture evenly as much as you can throughout the baking dish, and then try to stir it, shake it to make sure that it's all incorporated throughout. So that way the whole dish cooks evenly. And as simple as that, that's it. And now you can enjoy your favorite side dish with this easy baked turkey wing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like or a comment, and we'd love to hear how it turned out when you made it. Thank you. See you on the next one.